The first day of Alibaba challenge starts. It's early morning. It's like 7 a.m. or something like that. And I just want to go to sleep. But I'm more hyped about modifying my car. Here's my beauty. Look at it. This is a new system. Lock system. I just moved in. So let's hear today's course start. I think it will be awesome. Yeah, of course, my suspension is fucked. Again. Let's see.
It's a 2-hour drive from Craiova to officially start the challenge, Alibaba Challenge Panamera. 3, 2, 1, go. So the official Alibaba Challenge has started. We're going to do Panamera Challenge, meaning all the parts we're going to buy from Alibaba and put them on the car, so you don't have to do it, we're going to do it for you. And you can see if it works. The first part we're going to do is change the ugly system, the navigation system. We're going to introduce a dual screen. And the interesting thing about it is that the original air intakes, or the climate intakes, are something like this. And the Alibaba navigation has the climate already installed on it, so you don't have to change anything. So that would be easy to be installed. We're going to show in a minute how it looks, the dual screen and everything. Let's start doing a sound test. I'm with the founder from Navi ABC, and I wanted to know a few things. What's the difference between me buying the navigation from Alibaba and actually you guys doing it professionally and also putting it on the car?
So we are doing this for over 7 years now, and now we know the factories, and we go to China in the factories to make the product as we like it. So we can go there from time to time to change parts from systems. If we don't like the screen, we can change it with a different screen. If you don't like the processor, you can change it with a better one. If you want to have a connection with the fiber optic, you can do this. You can do this also. So it's important that you know the producer, not buying it from unknown source, and don't know how it will work on the car.
Okay, that's quite nice. Where I can find you? How can people get in touch with you? Do you sell in Europe? We're from Romania, by the way.
We can sell everywhere in Europe. Navy ABC, it's our name. You can Google us or TikTok or Facebook. You will find us, and you will see hundreds of cars where we made the installation.
That's awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
This is the navigation, the dual screen navigation. It's ready. It works perfectly. As you can see, I can put the sound on. 1 second. Having dual screen helps us move how we want it. They can watch clips here on, I think they can watch also Netflix, I don't know for sure. In the main screen we can choose CarPlay. I'll put it in a second to show you how it looks while I'm driving. And also in the right you can put your music, or someone on the chair can watch some videos. You can also see here the dashboard of the car. So people in the back can see what speed are you going and how fast are you going, because this car can go over 300 kilometers per hour. And that's very fast. Also the oil temp, it's very nice. And if you want to see more modifications, subscribe to the channel. The China Panamera, it's ready to go on the streets.